Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to remove green screen DaVinci. So first you have to import a photo or a file here, specifically a photo with a background, with a green background, of course. Okay, so let's just say I'm going to pick this photo here. So to edit, all you have to do is to simply drag this photo here. Now look for effects, go to open effects, and then look for key 3D, something like that. And then you just have to drag it here. So this is what it looks like. Now the next thing to do is to go to inspector, and then you just have to click this area right here and look for open effects overlay. Okay. And then after you select that open effects overlay, this is the result. So of course, as you can see, there's still green color here, or let's just say a little bit background color. So all you have to do is to go to this side output, and from final, you have to click alpha and then go to matte finish. Go to this clean black and then find the right adjustment. Now go back to output and go to final composite again. Okay, so you just have to adjust anything here. Now, as you can see, it's still the same. You can see a little bit green background here. So it's time to look for the spill, which is this one right here. Okay, so what you're going to do with the spill is you just have to drag it to the very end, and let's see what's the result. So as you can see, there's no green background. So that's it. The second method is go to Fusion, and you just have to control space, and you can see an option that will appear. Okay, just click control and space and then type delta here and drag it in the middle. Okay, so this is the result. And then go to background color and then click this one. Go to color picker, tap the green one, click OK. And as you can see, this is the result. And to finally get the best result, all you have to do is to go to this threshold, drag a little bit here, up and down. Actually, it's up to you until you find the best result. So the result is that it has zero green background. So that's it. That's how easy it is to remove green screen in DaVinci. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.